Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. In today's video we are going to talk about the lattice modifier. Even though I talked about this lattice modifier in the adding lattice part, I added this and I made a video, you can watch it. But if you still want to learn a little bit about lattice modifier, which is in the modifier properties, we will look at it. Keep watching, okay? We'll go to the mesh and we'll go to the monkey head, and what I will do is that I'll pull this up, or let me G like this, and I'll put a lattice here. You see that I have something like this, and I'll press Z scale and go up, and I put this here and scale it in x-axis so it will fit in. Okay, when it's fitting, we will go to where we are going is we are going to here and change put the resolution so we can manipulate this shape more, okay, like this. And what I'm going to do is that I'll select this face or this Suzanne, and I'll go to the lattice and I'll select this lattice, and what I'm going to do is that I'll select this and modify it and manipulate it like this. You see, it's a funny face. See how I am going to make a funny face. Wah! Wah! I hope this was helpful. And let us delete this one. When you delete it, it will be gone. Control Z, and what we will do is that we will say Control A, apply it, and we will delete this one and nothing will change. You see, this was the lattice modifier. And let us see another thing in lattice modifier, which is we can give it a strength. How much strength this can have, how much manipulation it can have. I'll Control 8 and delete this one, and something like this appears. I hope it was helpful, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.